Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Stock Chats. Happy Wednesday. Remember, this is not investment advice. If you need investment advice, speak to your reputable licensed financial advisor. So today, this morning, we are going to be looking at real estate sector, and a particular company known as Kingston Properties Limited. And they have a REIT, which is a real estate investment trust. Now, real estate investment trusts are trusts where they invest in real estate properties, whether commercial or residential, and they make their money through make their profits through the revaluation of the properties, selling the properties, or getting rental income from the properties. Now, Kingston Properties Limited is on the Jamaican Stock Exchange, and they recently had news that they have acquired a new commercial property that brings their square footage of properties up to 300,000 square feet. Their goal is actually to have 1 million square feet of property. This is a commercial property on Ashim Road that they say is very close to the port, and they are currently looking for tenants for that property. They have about 47% of their exposure in Jamaica and 41% in Cayman. Earlier this year, they bought a commercial property in Cayman that's close to the harbor. And they have the rest of their properties, condominiums in the United States. They have, in their last audited, they have made profit of over $2 million US. However, their most recent unaudited financials, they made a loss of over 200,000 US due to COVID-19 related losses. So real estate is a steady and slow income. So you find that the growth won't grow as fast, but you'd have regular dividends because, of course, especially with the commercial properties, there are constant rentals coming in. And Kingston Properties seems to be moving towards more of the commercial because they have been selling some of their condominiums in the United States for profit and reinvesting them into other real estate and commercial real estate. So commercial real estate is a really big thing right now because if you have a commercial client, you're most likely to get your rental income easily. And some of the clients, big companies. So if you're on the ports, you'll be looking at some of the exporting and the distribution and other related industries that, would use the ports. So Kingston Properties is one that persons can look at if they're interested in real estate. A real estate REIT allows you to own real estate because, of course, as a shareholder, you'll be benefiting from dividends. And Kingston Properties gives their dividends in US dollars. And you won't have the direct exposure as if you owned a property for yourself. So, if there's any issues, say, for instance, a leaking roof, flooding, fire, just having to find the capital to afford these type of and maintain these type of properties. You don't have to do that if you invest in a real estate REIT. There are other real estate REITs on the market, including Stanley Motors Limited. And that one is particularly one building that has a lot of tenants, including BPOs and insurance companies. We'll probably look at that one later on in a later series. And there's also Sagicor's X fund that invests in hotels and commercial properties. However, Sagicor X fund has not recently provided dividends, so shareholders usually would have received their income through price appreciation upon the sales of their stock or unrealized gains based on price appreciation. So this is Kingston Properties Limited, a REIT, a real estate investment trust. If you're interested in real estate, you can do further research, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, this assists me with building this this channel and, you know, making it better and improving it. So thank you for all those who supported. You know, hit that notification bell and leave your comments below. Tell me how you feel about the real estate sector and particularly Kingston Properties Limited REIT.